Amazing benefits of aloe vera. 1. Aloe vera for dry skin. Take some aloe vera, a pinch of turmeric, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of milk and a few drops of rose water. Blend this mix till you get a paste. Apply it and leave in for about 20 minutes. 2. Aloe vera for sensitive skin. Grab some aloe vera gel, cucumber juice, yogurt and rose oil and blend them to a paste. Apply and leave for around 20 minutes, then rinse it off. 3. Lowers blood sugar levels. Aloe vera has sometimes been used as a traditional diabetes remedy and help improve blood sugar management. Several animal and human studies in type 2 diabetics have actually, so it is definitely premature to recommend aloe vera for this purpose. 4. Heartburn relief. Drinking aloe vera juice may give you relief when heartburn attacks. The compounds present in aloe vera juice help control secretion of acid in your stomach. The effects have even been shown to combat gastric ulcers and keep them from getting larger. 5. Liver function. Aloe vera juice is an excellent way to keep your liver healthy. That's because the liver functions best when the body is adequately nourished and hydrated. Aloe vera juice is ideal for the liver because it's hydrating and rich in phytonutrients. 6. Aloe vera for weight loss. It's not just the beauty industry that's obsessing over the benefits of aloe vera, the health industry can't stop raving about it either. The plant has millions of takers around the world and is used in the form of gels, cream and juices, due to the aloe vera's wondrous health benefits. The author of the Everything Guide to Aloe Vera for Health, aloe vera can improve the effectiveness of your diet and maximize your weight loss potential. With ample amounts of vitamins as well as weight loss success. 7. Aloe vera for hair growth. Aloe vera for hair loss is a quite unexplored area in our hair care routine. However, these aloe vera hair packs are an effective way to curb hair fall and also a completely natural way to address this issue. 8. Aloe vera good for teeth and gums. Aloe vera in tooth gels can be used to cleanse and soothe teeth and gums, and is as effective as toothpaste to fight cavities, research shows. Aloe vera may help protect the mouth from or improve other mouth issues.